First, there was the router. Next, someone fixed the router to a table. And now, the next quantum leap in wood machining for the small shop. The multi-router, the only true 3-axis woodworking machine on the market. Both your workpiece and the router are riding on precision linear bearings, 12 of them as a matter of fact. You have complete control of the cut by moving the stock right to left, in and out, and simultaneously moving the router up and down. Let's make a simple bridle joint to show the features of the multi-router. The button stops register the stock perpendicular to the vertical table. Bring the router bit down till it just kisses the stock. Adjust the scale to the closest full inch and lock it. Lower the router 1/2 inch by using the scale. Bring the horizontal table up so the bit engages the stock and take light cuts back and forth until you reach full depth. For the mating tenon, return the vertical table to the 0 point. Verify that it's just at the top of the stock and lower it 1/4 inch. Make the cut as you did for the mortise. Then flip the stock over and repeat on the other side. With complete control of in and out, right to left, and up and down, a joint like this comes together perfectly in just a couple minutes. Now that you have the fundamentals of how the multi-router works, let me show you some optional equipment you can add to it to take it to the next level. The standard clamps can be supplemented with pneumatic clamps. The graduated scale can be replaced with a highly sensitive digital scale. And perhaps best of all, you can control the movement of both tables with the template system. The stylus has a ball bearing on the end. By following the templates, the stylus perfectly controls the motion of the vertical table the router is mounted on and the horizontal table that your stock is clamped to. This template following feature creates flawless joinery. For example, here's a piece with a mortise in the middle of the board. The mortise obviously has rounded ends. The tenon template produces perfectly rounded ends on the tenon in 15 different sizes, ranging from 1/4 by 1 inch all the way to 1/2 inch thick by 3 inches long. There are also 4 sizes of round tenons, excellent for stool and chair construction. Next, I'll swap the tenon template for a dovetail template, and we'll cut some through dovetails. First, the tails. Now I'll switch templates and cut the pins. The fit is regulated by the height of the stylus. An adjustment couldn't be simpler. Just lower the stylus for a tighter fit or raise it for more clearance. There are templates for 2 different sizes of through dovetails, mitered dovetails, and box joints, all using this same concept of simply following the template with the stylus. Now, if all that isn't enough to get your creative energy flowing, let me throw some gasoline on the fire. The horizontal table tilts. Now you can create mortise and tenon joints at compound angles. Imagine making your own set of dining room chairs, made with your own hands, and destined to be cherished in your family for generations. Whether you're a professional looking to shave hours off production time, or a hobbyist looking to take your work to a new level of sophistication and quality, the multi-router is right for you. Order yours today.